How's it going, guys? This is my Anet A8 knockoff that I got on Amazon, and I taught it to push off these battery holders that I'm printing, that I'm selling online. They're battery holders for like power tools, and so right now it just backed up, and now it's going to go down, and it will come forward and push that off. I just want to make a video of that real quick, and then I'll show you basically how I do it. It's a little bit slow, but yeah, I guess while I'm waiting for that, it's been a little while since I've made some videos, so I apologize about that, but I plan to make them hopefully daily now. There we go. And the fan, it pushes it with the little fan extension, I guess, that I have down there that I put on it. That way it doesn't actually touch the hot end. And there you go. That's it. And then I have this Minnie Mouse macro thing programmed to click the print button at that coordinate specifically every 53 minutes, I think it is. 3,180,000 milliseconds. So yeah, and then there it goes again. So just waits till right after it's done, and it takes the same amount of time every single time, and then it just starts going all by itself. It's nice to get a little clump in there, but it's pretty good at recovering and printing it just fine. So I've been making a lot of those, and I don't know why it does that. It's really weird. It does it once in a while, or it just does a random line out on the side, but it doesn't mess it up. It still prints it just fine. So that's how it's been going. Anyway, I'll make a video soon about how to actually program your computer to do that. And I did try it with a micro SD a little bit ago, just by editing and multiplying the G code itself manually. But I had some issues with that, and this way it just clicks the print button every time, and it seems to work a lot better. So that's what I'm doing with that. Anyway, thanks for watching the video, guys. Make sure you hit the subscribe button, and that way you can see when I come up with more videos in the next few days. And I will hopefully make a video very soon about how to my approach for knocking off prints and getting it to stick and everything. So thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.